Hello everyone, my name is Afian. In this video, I will show you my hometown. Let's watch. I live in Batanghari, location in Jambi City. Here there is the Batanghari River, which is the largest on the largest Sumatra. The air here is still reflection clean because it is not too densely populated. But the hiking event has all they can cause at the event. And this is my hometown. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.